Hey, hello all, welcome to AI with Dhruv, and today I come up with one of the best project like Trainbot India, and it is live. And why I'm going to tell you, because now you can see even something that we are building, we can also retain few clients, and of course there are a lot of plans. So what it is exactly? So we are just trying, it is just an alternative of you have seen and you have heard about where is my train. So you can check your train status, whether it is your PNR, live status of your train, or like, the fare of the train, seat availability, anything that you wanted to check, you can check in this particular system in our Trainbot India, right? So you can see we do have a WhatsApp number. The best part, you do not need to download any app. Okay, so technically I connected to the WhatsApp. You can just ping in WhatsApp in this particular number and it is going to answer each and everything. Okay, so no need to come anywhere, and this is the website, of course, which you can also visit, trainbotindia.com, and you can come up over here, chat on WhatsApp, and it will directly redirect you to WhatsApp, and then you can ask any questions. Okay, so what is the magic behind it? Okay, like what you did then, because there are a lot of projects that you have built, and anyone can build a lot of projects, right? But what the magic behind it? So first of all, let me show you the challenges that I have solved. If we have to check a train status, okay, I can search on Google. That's what we do mostly, and then we click on whatever comes. Then we have to type number. That's fine, but again, only train status, right? Then if I have to check my PNR status, again I have to type, right? So you can see the challenges, the problem that we are facing. Now I'll just check PNR. I'll type my some PNR, whatever the number. Even after typing the PNR, even I was having my one of, so even after typing the PNR, then this will give you, right, calculation. That is very difficult. I think it's not difficult, but you have to come, you have to do all these things. And if you are able to see, you have to come in each and every site for each and every different task, right? If you have to check the fare, now where you will able to check the fare, right? So this is the major issues that we were facing, and that's the reason we have introduced this Trainbot India, where you can get each and every information in your WhatsApp. So how you can get access? First of all, you can type that this particular number 9977161800 inside your WhatsApp. You can start chatting, or you can come trainbotindia.com and click on chat WhatsApp, and it is going to redirect you in your WhatsApp over this. Okay, so this is the number, you can see Trainbot India 9977161800, and here all the details. We do have proper, like our Facebook page, Instagram page. You can follow, you can go, and let me show you the magic, the result that I wanted to show you. Hi. Okay, so you can type anything and it is going to answer. Okay, yeah, this is the cool part. And you can see the speed also, right? Better speed than searching where on, like on Chrome. So here you can click see all, and here you will able to see, you are going to get a language also, then live train status, PNR status, seat availability, train schedule, train between, search train, my station train, and fare. Okay, so now you do not need to go and search for each and everything, on like Chrome or internet or your phone for different tasks. You can get everything at one place, and this was the whole sole purpose that I am showing you. Now let me show you more magic. So I have taken my like a screenshot of one of my booking details. Let me share so you can see I'm not going to type anything. By default, just I shared my image, and it is going to scan this, and after some time you will see it is going to answer, yeah, it got the PNR automatic. So now I do not need to type, right? And also I'm just saying, you just look at the speed, because that's the entire design architecture and the backend that I have created, that is live right now at a production. Okay, and I'll show you at what level it is live, like how many users are using the, the cool part. Once I click on PNR status, here you will able to see it is going to tell me the PNR status. And if I wanted to check for that particular train live status, yeah, here you can see, right, the best PNR status, that is, that I have booked and I have verified. Also, if I wanted to check live status, yes, I can do that as well. And if I wanted to check train schedule, I can check that also, from where the train will go. So you can see each and every option in a better way. I'll show you some more options over right now. So it is 20 minutes late, Revan and Vihar is super fast, 2 kilometer to Varvari. And if you are going to check right now, it's 10:12 p.m. on current date. It's like the same date, it's 11th of August, I think. Yeah, so you can check. Yes, it's 11th of August. So you can check and you can go, you can find. And if you wanted to see, let me show you something more cool. If I'll check live train status, already you have checked. Let me show you train schedule also, or let me show you seat availability as well. You can just type, okay, and it is going to ask you exactly for which. Okay, so train number you can see, right? So let me the copy paste my same train number. And the best part, anyone can do that. Even you can use your voice also. You do not need to even type. But the best part, you can just share your, yeah, here you can see you have to choose boarding stations. Let me choose from Riva. Let me send, and it will ask you your destination and see the speed. Okay, and anyone can use it. This is live at a production, so I can choose destination also. And here you can see Anand Vihar terminal, and it is going to answer. Same way, it is going to answer entire schedule also, entire from which platform to which platform, where it is. Yeah, here you can see train number, this sleeper train departed. Of course, for today it you cannot book, right? But for tomorrow, here you can sleeper RAC sleeper waiting and all. Yeah. So yeah, this is something that I wanted to show you. Even for tomorrow, next 5 days, 12 sleeper regret, but third AC available, which you can book. Okay, and you can go and you can try and you can check also. All right, then check Tatkal as well, so you can check Tatkal for tomorrow if it is available or not. Okay, and if you will go and if you will check train schedule as well, so yeah, that can be also fine. So you can see, just you have to click, you can use your phone, you can use your you can say like WhatsApp, and anyone can do that. Yeah, here the cool part, right? You can see all the station came with proper route and you can check the speed. So this is what I wanted to show you. And of course, behind it there is a lot of system design that we have used and tech that we are using. And here the cool part, let me show you. I have just launched. If you will see, it's on just 2nd of August. I think 3rd and 4th August we have did on live, and now we have 2,150 users in just, you can say, last, it's 11th of August, in 1 week. Okay, and this many people are, more than 21,000 messages being asked, replies on WhatsApp, and you can see the average latency is 22, like 2 seconds, with proper API call and each and everything. Fine. And this is a dashboard even I created for real-time monitoring. So again, this is also the tech that I have used, you can see. So yeah, this is all I wanted to show you, and I hope you are going to love this particular project, because this is live at a production and we are getting client. I'm fixing in a real time if any issue is happening. So let me know in the comment if you are going to love it, so I'll tell you more and more deep how you can do such thing, how you can connect your WhatsApp with any kind of AI agent, how you can, because this is a major use case that so many companies also wanted, right? They wanted to connect their AI agent to WhatsApp, so their AI agent can interact with their customer as well. So of course we can use AI, LLM, whatever you want, and we can make it as better as you can think of. Fine. So yeah, thank you for watching, and this is all I wanted to share. I hope you loved it, and just share this video, comment, let me ask, like just ask me any question if you want. I'll try to add more and more project which at a production level I'll tell you how you can make it live the way that I'm making. Okay, thank you for watching.